Gujarat, the pharmaceutical hub of India, is home to some of the most reputed API manufacturers in the country. These companies are not only leading the Indian market, but have also carved a strong global presence through quality, innovation, and reliability. Let's take a look at some of the leading pharma API manufacturers in Gujarat. Alembic Pharmaceuticals Limited. One of India's oldest and largest pharmaceutical companies, Alembic has decades of experience in producing a wide range of high-quality, active pharmaceutical ingredients, or APIs, for both domestic and international markets. Here's the text to process. Cadila Pharmaceuticals Limited. Cadila is another pharmaceutical giant based in Gujarat. With extensive expertise in API production, the company continues to contribute significantly to global healthcare. Dishman Carbogen Amsys Limited, a specialist in contract research and manufacturing services, or CRAMS. Dishman produces world-class APIs with a focus on innovation and compliance with global standards. Arch Pharmalabs Limited, known for manufacturing APIs across various therapeutic segments, Arch Pharmalabs has earned a reputation for quality and consistency. RT Industries Limited, while primarily focused on specialty chemicals, RT Industries also manufactures a broad range of pharma intermediates and APIs that are vital to drug development. These companies have built strong reputations through their advanced R&D capabilities, strict quality controls, and robust global supply chains. With innovation at their core and a commitment to healthcare excellence, Gujarat's API manufacturers continue to drive India's leadership in the global pharmaceutical industry.